Claudia from the Open Knowledge Foundation Germany. Together with the Center for Collaborative Investigative Journalism, Code for Africa, and Open Up, we built a repository for global water data under the Code for All exchange program. All of us had been working on water-related projects before, and we were encountering similar problems locating data and putting it to work. And that was not only true for water quality data, but related health and infrastructure data as well. So we wanted to build a tool that supports civil society in claiming their right to access to clean water and to empower them to underpin their demand by fact-based and data-driven information, information that is often hidden and hard to find, also for us. In particular, we wanted to empower journalists to use data in their storytelling and research into local water grievances to help activate communities for change. We spent a lot of time to research global water data in the beginning, and we did not find another repository that we were aiming to create. So we were happy that there might be a gap that we could fill and in a useful way as well. So up next, Johnny is going to show you what our project looks like.
Hi, I'm John Myers with CCIJ. We spent a lot of time in this project trying to answer questions about purpose and the very feasibility of water data gathering. But we wanted to take as many tangible steps as possible in the early going, and with that goal in mind, we built a fully functioning web-based prototype and we launched and supported several journalism efforts too. We wanted these test cases to inform our design work so that we might ultimately build something that empowers storytellers and civic tech. This is an aerial photo of the Makoko community in Lagos, Nigeria, where Code for Africa trained groups of volunteers to take samples in local water sources and worked with local researchers to produce detailed lab results. That data made its way into the commons, and we used the sampling to produce impactful local journalism. You can learn more about this project by searching Mapping Makoko at the Pulitzer Center website. Here you see raw sewage running down the street in Dunoon, Cape Town. In this story, part of CCIJ's H2O Fail series, journalists scrape data from municipal websites in a bid to quantify and visualize the scope of wastewater issues throughout South Africa. You can learn more by visiting ccij.io. Many people were involved in the heavy lifting needed to clean and geocode our starter datasets for WASI. A big thank you to all involved. We used Trello to organize ourselves, and I'm hoping this screenshot gives you an idea of how big and complex this part of the job really is. This is a peek at our working prototype, which is built atop the open source WASI map platform that's been developed and fine-tuned by OpenUp and other civic tech actors. Once we cleaned and geocoded the data we were gathering, it was uploaded to a WASI instance, and the map-centric interface allows users to explore data through maps and rich data formats. Visit water-wasi.openup.org.za to try it out.
As you can see, the water commons is work in progress. What do we do next? Just like everyone else, we need funding for our ideas, especially the bigger ones, but we would like to make the tool more user-friendly and think about how users can add their data and information to the platform, how we can make it more accessible to different audiences, and especially expand the sources for journalists in the commons. We would also like to offer educational opportunities that accompany the water commons. And if any of that sounds interesting to you, or if you would like to support our effort, then you can find us on GitHub and contact us directly.